You can have 1,000 problems in life until you have a health problem, and then you only have one. Everything else, money, relationships, stress, fades away in the shadow of it. Suddenly, the things you once worried about seem so small, because nothing else matters when your body or mind is screaming for help. Health isn't just something you have, it's everything. It's the ability to wake up and feel alive, to move freely, to laugh without pain, to breathe without struggle. But we take it for granted, don't we? Until it's gone. We don't truly understand how precious it is when your health is compromised. Every little thing becomes harder. Dreams get put on hold. Happiness feels distant, and life's colors start to fade. That's why taking care of yourself isn't a luxury. It's an act of love, a gift to your future self. Because when you're healthy, you can face anything without it. Even the smallest battles feel impossible. Don't wait to lose it to realize its value. Treasure it now while you still can.